The Ikoro has sounded. The elders have been consulted. As the Congress of Igbo Leaders UK presents the 5th anniversary of the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture, London 2017. This festival will take our audience through an interesting journey of Igbo civilization, showcased in splendor.
The highlights of the event will include Igbo cultural play, dance and drama, masquerades, traditional artists, display of historical and traditional artifacts showcased in splendor.
The date, 8th of July 2017. Time, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Place, Charlton Park Road, SE7 8HX, London. Congress of Igbo Leaders, projecting Igbo culture and tradition in splendor.